Welcome to the YouTube channel named as CAT OMETs by Manoj Mahajan. We are starting QA Mind Boggling Concept Series on the channel CAT OMETs by Manoj Mahajan. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. In this series, we are going to cover up 200 plus concepts which would be relevant from the exam point of view like CAT, ZAT, and MAT and SNAP. So make sure that you do watch the video till the end. So you would love the concept behind this problem. So we are starting with the first question and the first concept out here. And you would definitely find the way to be completely different from what normally the students are going to look at solving it. You can comment your answer in the comment box also. And a lot of people, when they're going to read this problem, the first answer would come to the mind as 0, which would be incorrect. So let's read the question quickly out here. M is the total number of even integers. N is the total number of odd integers in this range where repetition of digit is not allowed. So if the repetition was allowed, then the difference between the even and the odd would have been 0 because first number you're going to write is even. Next would have been odd, then even, odd, and we are ending at odd. So in that case, the difference would have come out to be 0. But over here, the problem says repetition of digit is not allowed. And I'm pretty sure that if the CAT authority gets to know the superb concept behind this, which can answer this question with ease in very less time, they would love to put such kind of question in their exam. So if you look over here, the standard approach you must be already aware of. I'm going to straight away come to the superb concept out here using the probability concept. Yes, you heard it right. Probability concept we are going to look at and see with ease. We're going to answer the problem. So let's say if I start the number with 1 out here. Now repetition is not allowed. So we have only 4 choices so that it becomes the odd number. And for even, we are going to have the 5 choices. So in terms of the probability, if I look over here, the chance of becoming an odd number would be 4 by 9. And for the even number would be 5 by 9. So we have to calculate the difference. So how much more if I look the chance for even number, that is 1 by 9. 1 by 9 of what? Let's calculate the total numbers out here. Repetition is not allowed. So 1 is already used. 10 digits we have. So 9 left out. Next, if I look is 8. Next, if I look is 7. Next, if I look is 6. So 1 by 9, we are going to calculate of the total numbers in this range. That is 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. So if I calculate, it is going to be 336. So 336 even numbers we have more in this range. But as we have to look at the difference, so this is going to be compensated when we are going to look at this series starting with 2. Over here, the chance of getting an odd number would come out to be more because you would have the chance as 5 by 9. And the even number would become 4 by 9. So over here, we have 1 by 9, the chance more for the odd integer. And again, you will have the same combination. So in this case, we are going to have 336 numbers more, which are going to be odd. So till here, if I look from here till here, if I look at the difference between even and odd, it will come out to be 0. Same can be continued when you start with 3. Then when you start with 4. So till here, if I look over here, the difference will come out to be 0. Now we have to just check out the last set of range, that is starting from 5. Now over here, you know again that the chance of getting an odd number would be less, that is 4 by 9. For even, we are going to have what? 5 by 9. So 1 by 9 of the total numbers in this range would be more, that would be even actually. So finally, the answer to the problem would be 1 by 9. We are going to calculate for the total numbers in this range, which would be again 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. So we are going to have 336 even numbers more in the entire range. So this is the correct answer for M minus N, which we were calculating. So you must have loved the solution for sure. So make sure that you keep watching the such kind of concept series and love to understand these concepts and apply them in the problems too. So soon I'll be coming up with the second question and the second concept. Do subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you share this video with as many aspirants as possible. Thank you so much.